Hi there, in this video tutorial we're going to illustrate how you can move your classes and participant file into your HeartZone app. In order to do this, you want to make sure that you've received an email that will contain your classes and participant file. You want to make sure that you open this email on your iPad. Once you open up the email, you'll notice in the bottom there's a file for classes and a file for participants. Go ahead and tap on the classes file and it'll open up into a sort of a spreadsheet view where you see all of your student data listed. In the upper right hand corner, you'll notice that there's a little up arrow. You want to make sure that you go ahead and tap on that arrow and send it to the HeartZone app. When you first tap on that arrow, it'll show you the different places where you can send this information. You want to make sure that you scroll to the right if you don't see it in the first list there, and you'll find HeartZones. And you'll just simply go ahead and tap that icon, and it will, if it all works well, it'll send all of that information. In this case, I tapped on the classes file. So when I go to my classes menu, I will see, in this case, I used Meadowvale, so I see Brian and Tammy's classes are here. So when I tap on Brian, I will see the different sections listed. And then within that, I can click and see all the students within that class. So that is how you get the classes in there. The other thing that you want to make sure that you do is put in the participant file. The participant file basically will put in the email address. So if you wanted to email this information, the data, to students, the student email address is listed in there. So we're just going to go back to the email application. So we're going to open up the email, and I'm going to find that email in here that has that participant file. And so again, down on the bottom here is the participant file. And I will go again here, all the students listed, their email addresses are all listed in here. And then in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to find that send to button. And again, I'll scroll over to find HeartZones. I will tap on that, and it magically sends it to the participant list. So if I verify that, I can go to the participant list. I'm just going to click on the first student in the list. I'll click the edit icon, and here you'll see all of that data is entered in here, including the student email address. So now you're ready to begin using HeartZones. Good luck.